Hi, my name is Scott Rash with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. We just took in this 2013 Yamaha AR210. This boat's a great boat. It has the sea deck flooring in, not even the snap-in, it's actually glued down sea deck flooring. It's got the pop-up storage on the seats, the little pop-up seats for your legs, front anchor access right there. Bow cockpit speakers. It's got the air door here, fold windshield. This has the nice big wraparound seating, speaker system throughout. This does, because it's the Air, has the wake tower, and does have a bimini and full cover for this boat. Very, very clean boat for a 2013. Clarion stereo system, obviously dual motor on this boat. Fantastic boat, very clean. Come on out and check this boat out. It's going to be up on our website at MarineMax at the Greenville store, and you can come and see it at the store here in Greenville, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Come and check this out. Yamahas are hard to come by, and we have a great one here, 2013, really clean AR210. Thank you.